Hello everybody, I am making Chaga tea this morning. Chaga tea is in the Ganoderma family of mushrooms, and same as reishi. Chaga and reishi are really good for anti-tumor as well as antioxidant and other healthful things for the body. I'm using it for fibroids. The anti-tumor effect of the chaga will help with fibroid growth, and it'll help to dissolve any fibroids. So I am making a medicinal strength quantity. This is about 50 grams of chaga. I've already weighed it out and everything, but this is 50 grams. And I am going to add it to 2 liters of water and bring it up to a boil. And once it comes up to a boil, I am going to turn it down to simmer. And it'll simmer for 3 hours, and then I'll strain it and use that tea and drink it probably 2 to 3 times a day, and that will help in my fibroid cure herbal remedies that I'm doing. Okay, if you have any comments or have any questions or want to know how things are going, if this is working for me, just leave your comments below, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.